Welcome to toy-polloi. No Legos were harmed in the making of this video.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi, and today is just a sort of little mini tip video because I can't remember if I've shown this before, but as I'm prepping some Microman figures and Micronauts figures to go on display, I thought I'd share this tip with you that I found out many years ago, and I probably have said in one video or another, but I thought I would share it again, and that's how I display my Micronauts and Microman figures, because they're really lovely figures, but they do tend to fall over. They are very sort of nicely constructed. They've got lots of articulation, but that does mean that they're a little bit on the fiddly side to stand up. And if you've got a few of them lined up, every once in a while you'll knock one over and it will knock the whole lot over. So it's nice to have some sort of stand to hold them up. Now, there are original Microman stands out there, but they're hard to find. So what I use, which was a tip that I saw many years ago, is Lego minifigure stands. So if you collect Lego minifigures, you get to the little figures like this, and they come with these stands, which are essentially 4 studs across the middle of a sort of 3 stud wide piece. These are absolutely ideal if you have Microman and Micronauts in your collection. You can easily get them. You can buy loads of them cheaply online. So you can see here I've got a few of them already, and they fit in most Microman and Micronauts sort of footholes. So you can see here these figures have little footholes on the bottom of them, and they will fit perfectly onto a Lego minifigure stand. So you can stand all your figures up. I'll bring in a Micronaut here as well. So this is a UK issue Micronaut, and you can see that those also fit on there. So when I'm displaying my Micronauts and Microman figures, this is what I use because they're cheap and they're easy to get. So a lot of people, when they watch my channel, think that I just destroy bits of Lego to fix toys, but actually sometimes I use bits of Lego as they are meant to be used. So Lego minifigure stands are ideal if you have Micronauts and Microman that you want to display. Now, they don't work in every single one, but they do work in a large proportion of them. So if you've got the collection, grab some of these because they're cheap and they really work well. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.